Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa Raziyallahu Ta'ala anha narrated that Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam used to supplicate with the following prayers: O Allah, I seek refuge in you from the trials and punishment of hell, the trials and punishment of the grave, the trials and hardships of life and death, and the evil trials of the false Messiah Antichrist. O Allah, wash away my sins with snow and water, and cleanse my heart from sins with a white garment, and cleanse from filth. Create a vast distance between me and my sins, and you have created a distance between the east and the west. O Allah, I seek refuge in you from laziness, old age, sins, and the torment of the grave. These supplications reflect Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam deep sense of seeking refuge in Allah from various trials, sins, and hardships, emphasizing the importance of spiritual purification and protection from the difficulties of life and the afterlife. Musnad Ahmad, Hadith number 23210.